Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rahman Tutorials. Today we are here to discuss about Chapter 1 Class VIII Crop Production and Management. Crop Production and Management. In this chapter, the topics to be covered are preparation of soil and sowing, enrichment of soil, irrigation, weeding and harvesting and storage of grains. Agricultural practices for cultivation of crops. Many activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities are called agricultural practices. These are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and storage. In order to grow properly, plants need soil that consists of mixture of clay, gravel, air, water, humus, and microbes. Major steps involved in preparation of soil are plowing and leveling. Plowing by oxen. Traditionally, Indian farmers plow their field by oxen. Nowadays, plowshares are usually made up of iron. This method is very time consuming. Plowing by tractor. With the turn of the century, tractors began to use for plowing a large area of land could be plowed in a very less time. Leveling. It can be done with a wooden plank for uniform distribution of water. Selection of seeds. Selection of seeds involves precautions as the seeds should be healthy and disease-free. Seeds should be sown at the right depth and distance from each other. Sowing of seeds manually is known as broadcasting. They are also sown by a seed drill. Enrichment of soil. As plants grow in a particular field year after year, soil loses its fertility. This is because the nutrients present in the soil get used up. In order to maintain the fertility of the soil needs to be enriched from time to time. Enrichment of soil is done by manure and fertilizers. Fertilizers are substances which will improve the fertility of the soil and help the plant to grow and synthesize more food. Types of fertilizers. There are three main types of fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers on the basis of availability of nutrients from them. Nitrogen fertilizers, phosphate fertilizers, potassium fertilizers. Water supply to the field through sources other than rain is called irrigation. The main sources of water for irrigation are tube wells, rivers, well, etc. Groundwater reservoirs are also used for irrigating the fields. Traditional methods of irrigation. The water from the wells, lakes, canals are lifted by different methods in different places for irrigation purposes. Cattle or human labor is used in traditional methods of irrigation, so these methods are cheaper but less efficient. The various traditional ways are pulley system, chain, pump, rahat or lever system. We commonly use pumps for lifting water. These pumps run with the help of electricity, diesel, biogas and solar energy. Modern methods of irrigation are sprinkler system and drip system. The use of modern method of irrigation help us to use water economically. Sprinkler system is useful on uneven land but where is lack of sufficient water. Perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top or joint to the main pipeline. At regular intervals, when the water is allowed to flow through them in pipes, it escapes through the nozzles. Water gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler system of irrigation is very useful for sandy soil. Drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. So it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering root plants, gardens and trees. The system provides water to the plants drop by drop. Water is not wasted at all. Drip system of irrigation is very effective where water availability is poor. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along the main crop and compete with them for sunlight, nutrients, space and water. Specific types of weeds grow in a particular crop. Removal of weeds is called weeding. Some common weeds, for example, are Amaranthus, Chenopodium, wild oat, Parathenium, Convolvulus, etc. Weeds can be removed by pulling them out by the hand or spraying weedicides by insects that eat them. Harvesting is the final stage of the agricultural task. Fully grown crops are cut and gathered. This is either done manually or by using harvester combine. Storage of grain. After harvesting of crops, farmers storage grain in bulk using different types of storage structures made of different available materials. The pre-treatment necessary for the storage is cleaning and drying of the grains and fumigation using different chemicals which can kill insects and pests. The structure design of storage pots and its construction also plays a vital role in storing grains. Storage losses constitutes a major share of food grain loss in post-production operations. Some biotic and abiotic factors are responsible for loss of quality of food grains, poor germinability of grains, etc. These factors are insects, rodents, microbes, bacteria, fungi, moisture and temperature.